Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be covering is Tranont's newest flavor on their Nourish brand, their protein shake, French vanilla. So as you can see, I'm actually on their website. You can see that I'm on the Nourish site right here for this one. And yeah, here we are. So we're going to talk about this a little bit, what it does, what is it, I guess how much it costs, how you can get it, and what else? Yeah, the benefits. So with that, we're going to hop right into this and dive right into this. And you see, we are on the website. So Nourish, what is it? Okay, so Nourish is a GOS prebiotic meal replacement. Provides natural skincare benefits, a better meal replacement experience, supports gut health. Now, I've done videos before on Nourish before. This one's just basically a new flavor. French vanilla. You may not think, hey, French vanilla is a big deal, but it's flavor. So, as you can see, they actually have a few flavors. Birthday cake right now. I'm not sure if that's a limited time only. They have coconut cream. I've tried that. And they have brownie batter. I've tried that. And I haven't tried French vanilla, but I have some coming, and I will give you guys my review on it later. But I want to go over this and let you guys know about it and how you can get it now too, because my order is on its way. So you can get this now. It's available. And we'll show you how to get it. So one-time purchase or subscribe and save. So the difference between this is $75 in cost. So it's $75 for a one-time purchase. Subscribe and save is $68. So you have to actually, log in, create or manage your subscription and start saving. $68. So a couple of bucks off right there. It's looking at about, what was that? $7 off. That's cool. I mean, hey, that's always good. So you can do that because a savings is savings, right? So you can do that, add to your bag, either or, whatever you want to do. Then you go into there. So they have supplement facts. I'm not going to go over all of these supplement facts because it's so small. You can click on it and enlarge it, open it in another browser, I think like this, and then it will do all that, and you can actually zoom into it too. But we're going to go over a description. So what is it? A prebiotic shake filled with plant-based protein, powerful superfoods, B vitamins, chelated, keyword chelated minerals, and a proteolytic enzyme blend, choline, and GOS. I will not ever try to pronounce that word because I will butcher that word right there. I forgot to mention, you don't need a membership for this. You do one time or subscribe and save. So you don't need a membership. They do have a membership, but that'll be a different video too. So we'll talk about that later too. But this is purchase and go, customer or get a discount as a customer and subscribe and save. You can always go into your account and unsubscribe if you don't want to purchase again next month. But it's good, so you probably will. And so so this right here is the benefits of Nourish. Support your gut health. So support your gut, support your skin. So the strength of your gut skin connection is tied directly to the microbiomes with a greater probiotic activity than other commercial GOS. Nourish promotes larger growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Microfloral. They got some good, nice words. Microfloral, improved gut for improved gut health. Support and stability as well. A resilient gut microbiome promotes lower oxidative stress, which offers clinically proven benefits on skin, such as increased hydration of the upper layers and the upper epidermis, and a reduced appearance of wrinkles. Man, so basically your skin will look real better. It will look real good and all that stuff like that. I can go into all this right here. It provides natural skincare. There's a direct connection between the health of your gut and the health of your skin. Nourish uses GOS to promote a healthy gut microbiome and in turn offers clinically proven cosmetic benefits on skin, and increase of hydration through additional support of the barrier functions of the skin, plus a reduction appearance of redness and wrinkles. Nice. Very nice. A better meal replacement. We love meal replacements. That's what protein shakes are usually known for. That meal replacement, lower calories, gives you the same vitamins and nutrients that you need, and keeps you full with that fiber in there. So yes, your body wants and need need food, not just to fill your belly, but to fuel your body. Using that insight, we've created biofermented vitamins. Nice. Biofermented vitamins. And chelated minerals to closely imitate how real natural food enters and interacts with your body. As a result, these nutrients are better absorbed and in turn better utilized by the body. Very nice. Supports gut health. GOS is a prebiotic fiber. Fiber is lovely. Fiber is key for when you're trying to lose weight, trying to feel full, but get the same benefits. So this is good. That acts as food for the good bacteria in the intestines. By fueling the beneficial microflora, it helps to regulate your microbiome, allowing for improved digestion and gut health support. GOS also makes postbiotics. Dang, postbiotics, not probiotics. Well, there's prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. Didn't know that one. That's new. That helps to improve gut acidity for better water and mineral absorption in the colon, which can help strengthen the gut and supports the gut barrier. Man, look after your gut microbiota, and your skin will flourish. The inner and outer approach has become an essential trend in the cosmetic market due to the undeniable relationship between the gut microbiome and the skin. Nourish helps rebalance the ratio of beneficial bacteria in your gut GI tract, gastrointestines, if you know what that means, leading to less oxidative stress and more skin health support. Nourish has been clinically proven to promote beauty from within by helping to brighten skin tone, diminish the appearance of fine lines, and restore moisture to the skin. That's awesome right there. All from the inside out. So that's what Nourish is, if you are wondering. This is good helps you with weight loss, helps you with making your skin much better, a meal replacement, so many things. So that's what you got right there. Why you need it, we just went over why you need it. The price, why you need it, where you can get it, how you can get this is a link in the comment section, pinned at the top. Click that button. I would recommend subscribing to the newsletter because you get some promotions, some discounts, giveaways, and just to let you know what some new good stuff going on. You'll be basically added to the newsletter. So don't worry about that. I recommend that. But you can click on that right there. That will redirect you to the site to order. You'll order, boom, get what you want, you're good to go. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to put those in the comment below. Or if you don't feel, hey, you want some fast answers, you can go ahead and text me or call me. My number's in the description below as well. And I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. If you don't feel comfortable calling me, you can text me. I will respond. And I will also respond to my YouTube. I'm very active with my YouTube channel. So any comments, I do reply to those. If this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor. Hit that big red button below. Yep, that big red subscribe button. I'll give you 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. You are now a part of the DePaul crew. But if you got some value from this one, YouTube will actually send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. Like the last one, you got some good value from it. You got a great meal supplement right there. So you might want to check out this new one too. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this up. If you have any, like I say, if any questions, concerns, feel free to put them in the comments or give me a call, text me, whatever you feel comfortable with. I will answer those questions for you guys. So until the next one, guys, yeah, this is Nourish in a nutshell. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.